Welcome to this cloud computing tutorial series. What is cloud computing? Well, I'm not going to answer that, at least for now. And I'm really not going to begin with listing the benefits of cloud computing, such as the ones shown in this slide, like most of the tutorials do. So, I'm not even going to read these benefits listed in this slide. Instead, I'm going to talk about how computing evolved in the last few decades, especially how the businesses are transforming between using their own computers, if I may simply call them as computers for now, to renting computers provided by cloud vendors such as Microsoft, Amazon, Google, etc. To do that, I think it would be ideal to start with how computers evolved, how the data storage got evolved, what is memory, what is networking, etc. And I will keep them easy and understandable. At the same time, I hope the videos in this series are fun for you to learn. So, what kind of audience this video series is for? This is absolutely for beginners who would like to learn about cloud computing. Okay, so no matter whether you are a beginner to IT or you are in IT but haven't worked on cloud computing and would like to learn about cloud computing, then this video series could be for you. This is also for IT recruiters who would like to understand the cloud computing concepts, as this would help them in filling cloud related positions. Okay, as they may know by now, which is year 2020, that their clients may have a lot of cloud related positions open. Okay, and having a knowledge of cloud computing will definitely help them. This is also useful for any senior management personnel as well as any solution architect who would like to know about cloud technology. Okay, so you could be a senior management officer or a solution architect, worked on different technologies before but would like to know about cloud technology, then this video series could be for you. So with that, let's get into the series. Thank you.